Welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your network to this Huawei 5G router. So there is one thing that we'll need, and it's an app on our phone, and this is going to be the easiest way you can do it. There is probably different ways which would require you to connect it to your Wi-Fi router, and then to basically from the router itself to your computer on a cable, and then you can go through the IP and change it. But the way I'm going to show you is just a little bit simpler and I would say more convenient. So let's just pop it open and get the experience as you would do, basically starting off with this. So popping it open, right here we got the router itself obviously. So let's just take it out, set it right over here, and then we also will need the charging cable. So I don't want to do this, so I'm just going to drop this out, and there's our cable. So I'm going to obviously plug it in quickly. I have a cable or outlet right next to me, so I can just simply pop it in here. Now before I actually plug it in, I'm going to go over what's on the underside of it. Hopefully it is good enough in focus. But basically we have the QR code which you can scan to connect to your Wi-Fi quickly. That is for people that just wouldn't really want, if you don't want to give someone your password or something like that, you can just get their phone, turn on the QR code and quickly demonstrate how this would look like. So at least for me, I open up camera and get out of the light, and I have this button right over here, so I can press this, go to code scanner, and when I try to scan this, there we go. As you can see, it automatically tries to connect. It knows the name of it and basically every info that you need to have about this. So Wi-Fi network name and also password, and then just press connect. Now because this is turned off, it won't really connect right now. So now apart from that, we also have things like our Wi-Fi password, which is going to be right over here below. So Wi-Fi password, you can see for me is the B or 4BYF, whatever. Then we have the IP, and below that we have a password. This is administrator password. So if you want to change some kind of settings on this device, you will need to look at here for the password. And if you're doing it through the computer, like I said, when you plug it in using a cable, you will use the IP right here. Hopefully, like I said, it's visible, but basically you have an IP, and this IP I believe is the same for every router of this brand. So it's going to be 192.168.8.1, and when you put that in there in your web browser, it's going to pop up with the password. So all you then need to do is provide the password that is below here, and from there you can change settings. Now I'm going to show it through the app. So let's plug it in and let's wait for a second. You should see some lights pop up here. So you're looking and waiting for the lights to actually light up. That's going to mean that they're booted. Now I did already insert a SIM card into this device, so if you haven't done so, you can do it, and all you need to do is just pop it right below here. So all you do is just you lift that up, and as you can see, there's my SIM card right over here. So you insert it with the cutout on the top left side. As you can see, you just kind of slide it down, and you need to kind of push it in there deep so it clicks in, otherwise it will be sticking out. You don't want that. It needs to be basically all the way in. So just close that off and hope that the lights, yep, there we go. As you can see, the lights are already on and the router is ready to go. So we're basically done with the router itself for now. We can set it to the side and not really think about it anymore and go to our phone. So on an Android or probably Apple II, open either the Play Store or your Play Store or App Store, and go to your App Store right there and search for the Huawei AI Live, which is this app right over here. As you can see, I already have it downloaded, so all you need to do is open it up And I did add one thing in here. Disregard it. It's completely irrelevant to what we need to do here. So once you're in the app, tap on the plus. It actually pops it up with it right now. So, and unconfigure router, Huawei, blah blah blah. I'm gonna show that for later. I'm gonna go about it as though no pop-up has appeared, because this could be completely a Huawei related thing where it just recognizes that there is another Huawei device, kind of like it does with earbuds. I'm not really sure, so I'm gonna go about it manually. So you tap on the plus, it's gonna start scanning. Now it automatically detects it. The first time around when I tried it, it couldn't find it, and if that is the case, all you really need to do is tap on add manually. And for me, router, you have 5G routers, and it's the 5G CPE Pro selected, and it brings up that you need to scan the code. So all you do is just scan, flip it over, and you scan the code. And there we go. As you can see, I didn't press anything, it automatically scanned it, and I believe if I go back, there it is. So you can see it's showing up right over here. So let me put it back up. From here you can go to it, log in. So we will log in with the administrator password or login. So again, it's on the underside of the router. It is the password right below the IP. So I'm gonna quickly insert it. JYFQT2 ME. There we go. Let's check it if it's correct. So JYF, right? Sorry for the shaky camera. Okay, so let's just log in, and there we go. So you can see it gives me the model of it right now, and get started. Alright, let's just go to next and agree. Obviously we do need to agree to everything. Overnight updates, you can enable it or skip it, it's completely up to you. Let's go to next. Internal access wizard. So in here we already have a bunch of settings. So number one, we have the Wi-Fi name, so you can change it if you want to, right over here. Hopefully I can get it a little bit better. Hopefully this is a bit more visible. Also move the light, maybe that will help. So here we can change the Wi-Fi name. We can also change the password. This password right here, where you can see it's strong, it's going to be the password that you use to manually log into your router so you get internet. And this is also provided on the underside of the device itself. And then we can also set device login password. So this will allow us to change the admin password. Now this is completely up to you if you want to change it or not. I think I might be forced to. Wi-Fi password as the router password. I guess let me quickly try to go to next. Yeah, I need to have one. Let's see, 4, doesn't really matter. Restarting Wi-Fi in 3, 2, 1. Connect to Wi-Fi. That's kind of neat. It gives you an icon. So I believe if you press this, you can connect to it without actually pressing anything. So or putting anything. So you would just kind of select it, tap on it, connect, and you can see I connected without providing any password, even though it's locked. So all you need to do is just simply press that big button, the same one that is displayed right over here, and from there you just kind of select the Wi-Fi and connect to it without any kind of hassle. Now you can still use a password if you forget it. For instance, you can then insert it, the one that you have set, and everything should work. So that is kind of how you would go through the setup of this device. And as you can see, there it is. And now you do need to provide password every time to log into it and change any kind of settings. But apart from that, you can just use it normally. So So that is how you would set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.